Hey, happy 4th of July. We are launching the Bulletproof Dispute Letter Creator, and that is what this video is all about. I'm super excited because it is all part of the Bulletproof training that we have been doing, and you can access the full playlist right down in the description. All right. So I'm going to actually walk you through this and show you exactly what this is all about, but you can go access it right now for 20% off at vault.my740.com. Right here, it says Bulletproof Dispute Letter Creator. All right. It's really, really simple. And when you click on the link inside of this after you log in, you are going to head right over into the Google Sheet tool. I made it really, really simple, all accessible in your browser, and let's go check it out. Okay. But just a quick note on this. If this is something that you don't want to do and you don't want to deal with the bureaus denying you and rejecting you and telling you to go away and telling you they're not going to, help you and all that kind of stuff, and you want to know what's going on with your file and you want to see the copies of the disputes and you're tired of people using templates and dragging you on for years at a time or not disputing everything all at once or not doing all three bureaus all at once, then guess what? Schedule your call with me at my740.com and I will see if I can help because I offer a one-to-one custom credit sweep solution. And guess what? It is something that nobody else is doing because there aren't other people who are giving you the copies of the disputes, and there aren't other people that are telling you everything all up front, and there are other people that are disputing all the negative items at once or all three bureaus all at once. So if that is what you want, then schedule a call with me at my740.com and I will see if I can help. All right, so jumping right into this is the fastest way to create disputes if you're struggling, okay? Because a lot of people don't know, obviously, watching this video, hello, a lot of people don't know how to create their disputes and what they're supposed to be answering and what they're supposed to be saying and what is supposed to be in the actual dispute itself. That is why I have 500 videos that show you how to do this, okay? If it were as simple as sending out one dispute letter, then I wouldn't have all these videos and there wouldn't be 68 million people with bad credit, okay? So these are here for a reason, and this tool allows you to create a dispute letter literally by just answering 5 questions and a couple of drop downs. Okay, so look, right here we're gonna go right through this. We have our instruction page. It's gonna break everything down. It even shows you how to print without the grid lens because obviously this is Google Sheets. There is another tutorial that is going to be dropped right into the member vault. So this is not the one that you're going to have to watch again, but we have our dispute reason creator right here. And this looks familiar because you already have access to the very simplified version of this, where we're just going to add in our accounts. It's going to auto-populate what our dispute reason is after we add in our facts. We choose whether we want to just, delete it or correct it. Choose the type of account. Let's just say this account. And then because the balance, the past due, the first date of delinquency is inaccurate, wrong, incorrect, missing, and reports as blah, blah, blah. Now, I created this one as a public record. So we're going to go and click this public record. This automatically updates over here because of magic formulas, just kidding. And then down here, all I'm doing is adding my creditor name, account number, and both of these are going to automatically populate because of magic. All right. So if I went and I changed this and I said that it was the federal district of whatever, and guess what? Now it says federal district of whatever D456789. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna change that to Las Vegas court. When I scroll down, I can check my dispute for errors. Now, you can dispute up to 10 accounts on here, and they're all going to show up down here, right? And then we're going to go create our dispute body, and that's just that first paragraph, and all we're going to do is answer a couple of questions. So this part is actually going to be empty when you land on it, and then you can preview the answers down here, and it's going to turn it into one paragraph, okay? So you're actually going to want to flesh these out, and they will expand as you type. But let's just say that my answers to these questions were these 5 sentences. Actually 4 because I don't use why does it matter. Now, I'm just going to throw in a period on that last sentence because unfortunately I couldn't find a formula that added a period to everything except for the last one. So or added a period on everything because it didn't on the last one. I guess I said that wrong. So anywho, we're going to come over here to the dispute letter creator, and you're going to see that we have our Las Vegas court account because I only added in one. We have our 4 sentences here that made up our actual paragraph, and all I'm going to do is add in my name at the bottom, my name at the top, my address, my date of birth, my full social, today's date. I'm going to choose a bureau because this is an actual drop down, and that is it. That is your letter. You're going to go to File, Print. You're going to make sure it says Portrait. Under Formatting, you're going to choose to turn off the grid lines. You're going to go to Next, and you're going to print it. It is really that simple. So if you want the easiest way to create disputes that include everything that you need to say and scientifically, whatever, because I've split tested this over the past 10 years, then this is the tool that you want to use. It is only $37 when you use the 20% off coupon that I am going to drop in the description, but I'm pretty sure it is my July 20 or my July 20. But I'm going to drop that in the description, and the link is going to take you directly to the page that will offer you the coupon price. All right. Now that is it for today. We are going to have our bulletproof training later, and that one is going to be a most definitely longer video. I would have to say at least 30 minutes. So if you are looking for something to do this weekend, maybe you're just worried about going outside or whatever, then guess what? I've got something for you. But this video was specifically about the dispute letter creator that I wanted to share with you because it took me hours to create. All right. So that is it for right now. Smash the like if you like this video. That is what it is there for. Drop a comment and let me know what you are thinking, and use those links in the description to go to number 1, the bulletproof strategy training playlist, so that you know what I'm talking about to begin with. 2, schedule a call with me if this is something that you don't want to do. And 3, head over with that coupon link to grab this for only $37 instead of $42.55. All right. So have a great one. Please be safe. And that is it. See you later. Bye.